Hey everyone. So, let's talk about something cool. One of the one of the best skills you can develop as a programmer is to learn to put your emotions aside and to kind of criticize your work, but like brutally honestly. Like you go really hardcore on that. And you just criticize your work, you find the bugs and you make a list. You just open notepad and literally write down everything that you think could go wrong or is wrong. Okay. Once you have a whole list, then analyze it a little bit, think about it, and then just start fixing things. You know, that's one of the best things to kind of level up. Let's say you're building an application. Let's say you build a finance application. Um, you look at the application, you look in the front end, you look at the back end, you test things out, and you're like, oh, this is wrong, this is wrong, this might go wrong. What happens if the server goes down? What happens to the Redis storage if the server goes down? And whatever is in the queue, what happens there? What happens to the emails that were in the queue were about to go out? All these sort of questions. What happens this? What happens this? If that happens, what happens if there is no if the API becomes too slow? What happens to your application? And all that stuff, you just brutally honestly criticize the application, and you would be shocked. You'd be completely shocked if you're unbiased. You'd be completely shocked to realize how many bugs your system really has. I do that, and I discovered quite a lot. But if I just think from the perspective of a programmer, I'm like, oh, I'll build this product as long as it works, as long as it does what it says it's supposed to do. Then I'm not gonna find those things. The edge cases are all over the place, and I'll just ignore them on purpose unless somebody else um, looks at the application and finds them out for me. Obviously, I do the basic testing, but if I'm totally honest with myself, I'm like, you know what, I'm gonna break this application. I'm gonna start from there, and I'm gonna do everything to kind of just destroy the application. That also means I'm kind of criticizing my own code, and might end up working longer hours. That's the price you pay, but you kind of learn a lot along the way, and yeah, you just become a better engineer. So when you when you're working on the code, you will kind of spot those things even before you write code. So next time you kind of criticize the application, you're not gonna find the same bugs. Anyway, yeah, that's something to keep in mind as a programmer as much. Like really honestly criticize and see how far you can get. All right, guys, I'll catch you guys next time.